This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Depress the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the slam panel and engage the end with the hole in the underside of the bonnet. The air filter is located at the front right-hand corner of the engine compartment. Slide out the locking element and disconnect the wiring plug from the mass airflow sensor. Slacken the clip and pull the mass airflow sensor from the air cleaner cover. Undo the screws and lift the cover from the air cleaner. Lift out the filter element. Remove any dirt and debris from the filter housing. Locate the new filter element in the housing, ensuring the rubber seal is uppermost. Refit the filter cover, engaging the hinges at the front edge with the housing. Tighten the cover screws securely. Push the mass airflow meter into the rubber sleeve in the air filter cover, then tighten the retaining clip. Reconnect the wiring plug and press the locking element rearwards to lock the plug. Detach the support prop from the bonnet and clip it into place on the slam panel. Firmly lower the bonnet and check that it's securely locked.